This jacket that is presented to you here doesn't really need an introduction. Every MJ fan or even someone who watched him not that regularly would recognize this jacket way too easily, and that is the beauty of it. Yes, this is the exact copy of the jacket that Michael Jackson wore in his title video for his album Thriller. The same album which had record-breaking success with 8 Grammy Awards. The whole album is definitely a treat to the ears, but this specific title song Thriller is just something that stays with you for the rest of your lives. Everything about this music video is so on point, and even if you are not a fashion freak, you would still be able to recognize the way this jacket stands out in the video and how it makes MJ look so appealing that all his dance moves seem to be in collaboration with the way he is looking. The designer of this particular jacket, Deborah Landis, have quoted in several interviews that she herself was amazed by the beauty of it, as if everything just worked well with each other. Furthermore, she explained the approach taken in order to design this jacket, which is usually referred to as reductive design. She explains that in this method, you try to see what will not work out. For example, to choose the color, you need to see what will be perfect for every instance that has been recorded in the video. External material, PU or Fox leather. Internal material, viscose lining. Closure, button down. Collar, stand up. Cuffs, open hem with belted adjustment. Color, red or black. Designed by Deborah Landis. The silhouette of the jacket, the V-style, which gives MJ a lot of weight and steadiness for his role, and the way the dance moves are made much more clear through the way he looks. Just everything about this jacket is perfect. A lot of people since the release of the Thriller video back in 1982 have been wanting to acquire this style, and even after almost 4 decades, we still love this jacket, and even more so as we are sure that this Thriller jacket is a once-in-a-lifetime kind of design, and it can probably